My name's Rose Lewis. I do a level 3 diploma in agriculture. I was shocked by today's discussion.
We've been invited by Choleg Sir Gâr to host some conversations through the Green Academy with young people about climate change.
Welsh Government want to know about what our communities, what their concerns are with regards to climate change. The more we talked about it during the conversations, you could start to see those opinions forming.
I think it's important that we do our part. If I think about climate change, you're thinking about your children and your grandchildren carrying on.
I think one of the things that's been quite difficult is that young people are kind of angry.
I don't think much about the pollution in the air and stuff like that. When I think of climate change personally, I think of the impact on the animals. I'm just used to living with it, so I don't know what it's like living without it.
The response to the climate conversations from our student population at first, I think, was reticent. Once we broke down that barrier, it's been really interesting to hear what they have to say.
Climate change and everything is quite scary, and it makes me worry a lot. People not caring. It got me a lot more engaged, I think, and I would really like to help in any way I can.
I think it was really interesting to see everyone's point of view on climate change as a whole. It's a way to all get together and just talk about it in the same room and agree with each other, disagree with each other.
I'm really grateful to Choleg Sir Gâr and for the region for holding this event and the others so that we can get the messages they want to give us as decision makers about how we progress with this.
Most politicians don't know what it's like to live on a farm or work in the countryside, so it's good that they're getting a point of view from everybody.
Climate change is real. Climate change will affect each one of us, but ensuring that young people's voices are part of shaping our direction of travel is essential for us.
There's something we all got to chip in with. We need to do something about the climate, and we can't sit back and think that other people are doing it, can we?
You know, the stats that they gave, the numbers and everything, that stuck with me as well. I never really did research into it before.
The Welsh Government will use the data to better understand the concerns within the communities for a just transition to net zero.
Some people are stuck in their ways. It's like you can show them proof, but they won't necessarily believe it.